Okay, so I checked this at 2 inches. It didn't seem to be the desired width that I was hoping for. So now I've taken it out to 3 inches. And that's going to give me about 1.5 inches brim for a small child. I feel that that's a good width. So we're going to find the starter string, and since this yarn is doubled, the first loop, the first 2 strings of that loop are going to go on this first peg. And that's where we're going to start at. And so just find the outer loops and just grab the 2. See? 2. And you just want to go around and line them up on the pegs. Make sure you only have 2 strings. There's my Max cat. Maxie, come here. I just recently started working with the brown loom, hat loom, and I like it. Let's see where we're at. Okay, I still have a ways to go. When I get all the first loops on the pegs, I'll be back to show you the next step. Alright, now that I have all the all the top loops on, we're gonna go around just like before. There's my cat June. Everybody say hi to June. June, say hi. And we're gonna go around just like before, and we're going to flip that bottom loop over the top loop, just like so. Grab the bottom loop and flip it over. It's good if it's snug. It means we're gonna have no loose yarn, no loose loops. Should be snug, but not so snug you can't. If you got it so tight that you can't pull the loop over, you may have it just a little bit too tight, but sometimes the first few are the most difficult. Once you get a few off the pegs, then the rest of them start to loosen up. And then you can just get your mojo on and make your way around.